Hi there. In this video, we will cover departments. When invoicing or receiving in products on purchase orders in TechMan, we have the option of selecting which accounting department this should be against. To create additional accounting departments, hover over Accounts and select Departments. Here we can see existing accounting departments in the system which can be adjusted by clicking Edit on the right-hand side. To create a new accounting department, hit the blue plus button in the top left. From here, simply enter your desired department code and description before saving. Now, in your accounting reports, you will be able to choose whether to generate reports against all departments or individually. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.